So how do we communicate with the OS? How does we can say, look, it's in a different context, and we keep talking about the user program asking for the time of day. So I'm going to start that discussion here, right? How do I get to it? In other words, I really want to do a subroutine call to the kernel, but the kernel's code is not anywhere in my user's address space. So I can't simply just do a branch like I would normally do. I need some way of transferring from user mode into kernel mode in a way that the kernel says, oh, you want to know the time of day? Fine, I'll give it to you. And first of all, how can we communicate things to the kernel? If we wanted to send a message to the kernel, well, we'll figure out in a moment. We're going to use basically an illegal operation to transfer control from the user program to the illegal operation handler in the kernel. That's how the user program is going to transfer control. But how do we send messages to the kernel? Where could we do that? We can just put information in our registers, right? And if the kernel wanted to send information back to us, it could put information in our, it could basically change what it sticks into the R0 slot here. So when it returned to execution, the user mode program started re-executing. Its R0 would suddenly contain the information the kernel put there. Okay, so we're going to these illegal operations that we're going to use is just a detecting an illegal opcode. So this illegal operation does exactly what the hardware interrupt does. It just goes to a different PC. So the external interrupt, the IRQ request is really, and the illop work very much the same. They just go to a different place in the kernel.